Okay, here we go. First stage is a race through the Golden Gate. 8 cars, 1 champion. And the name of the game is Speed, Speed, Speed. Come on, show me what that hypercar can do.
I used to cruise up I-5 and spend weekends in San Francisco back when I was racing out of LA. The streets are empty today because of Chinese New Year. So, take advantage.
Hey, there's something in the road ahead. Careful now.
In the Chinese zodiac, today marks the beginning of the year of the rabbit. Rabbits are fast, and rabbits are lucky. So I'd say the year's off to an auspicious start.
Well, look at that. New Year's fireworks. Hope you enjoyed this little jaunt, because once we start heading toward the mountains, it's gonna be a whole different kind of game, huh?